Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export code from Replit step by step. If you want to download your entire Replit project as a zip file for backup, sharing, or moving it to another computer, then this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and easy way, so make sure to watch this video until the end without skipping any part. Now, let's get started. As you can see, I'm already inside my Replit project. Replit AI has successfully prepared a zip archive of the project, and the file is named Project Zip. This zip file contains the project files and is ready to download. Now, I'll open the zip file page. Here you can see the Download File button. To export the project, simply click this button. Replit will immediately download the zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, you'll have a copy of your project that you can keep as a backup, share with others, or open in another code editor whenever you want. Exporting your project is a great way to save your work or move it to another device. And that's it. That's how you can export code from Replit. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Replit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.